That was loud.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing Rocossa.
Rocossa.
It's like these magnet thingamajigs.
Yeah. In the front you play.
There's numbers good for teaching Deepaq. They're out of order.
Yes.
And there's plus, minus, and all the ABCs.
You can get it too. Yes.
So the challenge.
We have
not
this.
gonna do that. We're not gonna do that.
Okay.
Hey, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna be building these
Rocossa
buildings,
things.
and whoever makes the best wins the challenge.
Yes. And that's the ultimate challenge.
Who's gonna go first?
Not me. You're the oldest.
Fine, I will. Okay, I'm gonna need these.
Construction.
Construction.
We get there probably.
Okay, I'm just gonna call it construction paper. So we're gonna construction paper. There's a lot of stuff in there, like a Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
But we're not gonna do it. We get all this stuff. So we're gonna use our own imagination. We're not gonna use these. So I'm gonna go first, and then it's Mega's turn.
Then smile.
He's like
this. He's like this. I know. My turn, and the team is called Girls Team. This is a boy team.
No, you're not on the boys team. We're in a separate team.
Okay, let's get started.
That's a cute team.
No. I'm just going just that. I think I'm going to just.
gonna say, take off this, just put it on, like that. That's more easier.